Hi everyone, it's Sue. Now you might have remembered a few months ago I told you about a great crafting company called Beebeecraft. It has an amazing YouTube program for small YouTubers just like us. All you need to have is 100 subscribers. Apply to their program, which I will put links down below, and you can receive free crafting projects delivered right to your door. How awesome is that? Especially during the pandemic. All you need to do for them to receive your products is do 3 videos for them. One is an unboxing where you show off all the amazing products that you received, and 2 more using those amazing supplies. Sounds pretty fun, sounds pretty easy. Again, I will put all the information in the description box below, so please check it out. Well, I did my 3 videos and they actually approached me to do more free stuff. Can't turn that down. So today is my second round of receiving some free products from Beebeecraft, and I will show you all the amazing treasures that I got. So let's get started. So like I said, I will put more detail in the description box below, but basically in order to qualify for the Beebeecraft YouTube program, you need to have a minimum of 100 subscribers, and then you just fill out their application below, and they usually get back to you within a few days. And when you do, you just have to make 3 videos for them. Like I said, 1 unboxing, 2 DIY videos. So here we go. I will show you. They send you about $40 worth of free products, and here's what I got. So one thing I do have to say for Beebeecraft, things are well packaged. Nothing would ever get broken in one of these packages. It's bubble wrapped inside of plastic, inside of more bubble wrap, and inside of more plastic. Like I said, the environmental part of me is a little aghast at this, but I really appreciate that nothing was damaged or broken. So it took me a little while to open up my surprise package. So I got a few packages stretch wrapped inside of here, and the very first thing that I am going to take out and examine is this bow maker. Now I may be crafty, but one thing I am terrible at, it's bows. So I thought this definitely would help. So it seemed like a simple contraption, but it looked like there was a wide variety of bows that you could create with it, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. And as you can see here, it retails for $12.49 US, so quite a good bargain. When I took it out of the box, I found that it was solid heavy wood, which is quite nice. And it just seemed to be a piece of wood with a variety of holes on it and some wooden dowels that you had to place in different positions to make the bow. And there was a little instruction booklet along with it. So I just tried out the dowels to see if they would fit in all of the holes, and they did quite snugly, which was good. It just took a little bit to work them in, but at least they weren't going to be wobbly when I was going to try to make a bow. So I can't wait to see if this helps me create the most beautiful bows ever. So the second package I received was the one I was most excited about. It was a mandala kit. And I have made mandalas before, and I do have a few dotting tools, but I was just using dowels from the Dollar Tree, and this set came with a lot of different pieces. And the price on the Beebeecraft website for this was $12.99 US. Now, when I opened up this package, I saw that there was a cute blue little zipper pouch that seemed waterproof even, that held all of the goodies, so I could not wait to open this up. So this little pouch was just jam-packed with all kinds of dotting tools. There were some big plastic ones to make different sizes of dots. There were some that had two little smaller dots on either end of them. There was a little palette to hold your paint, some paint brushes, and this sponge. I'm not sure what the sponge was for, maybe for dabbing some paint. The paint brushes weren't the greatest quality, but I thought they would probably do for painting rocks or using your stencils. And speaking of stencils, there was a whole collection of plastic stencils that came with it, so that if you weren't inclined to make your own mandalas, you could use these stencils to create them. My mind was a whirring because I thought, boy, I could use these stencils on all kinds of other DIY projects, and they look quite sturdy, so I think they would probably last. But I will just quickly show you all of the designs that came in the pack. There was probably at least 20 of them. And once I was done oohing and awing over my mandala treasure trove, they all fit back nicely into this handy little pouch. Awesome. And finally, the last thing that I chose was this variety of fabric squares that I thought I could either use for quilting or other DIY projects. So they were all in the blue shade theme because that's my favorite color, and it was about $12.49 for the whole pack. So I will just open them up here and quickly show you all the different patterns that I got, and they were very high quality cotton fabric, so I think these will be great for future DIY projects. So as you can see here, I got a lot of products for free, and high quality ones I might add, and I am excited to create some DIY projects with them. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and write a comment in the comment section below. And also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my DIY and art videos. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.